Hello, Harvest here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any failures and issues with Strava app on the iOS. So first thing you want to do is go up to the App Store, find your Strava, take your Strava app and see if you have the newest version. The newest version is right here, and if you have update available, the update should be right here. If you don't have update bar and you have the open here, that means that you have the newest version and everything should be cool. But if you still got some after update failures and issues, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So another way is just go to the settings, scroll all the way down, go to the apps, find your app right here, should be right, okay, Strava, and set every single setting on default, like here, Siri, everything default, like I have, search, everything on default, background app refresh on, language doesn't matter, and down here these things also doesn't matter. So after this, if you have still some issue, I'm gonna show you last way. Last way is just take your Strava app, remove the app, uninstall, go back to the App Store and just reinstall the app. After this, everything should be cool. So if the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.